What's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today to chat all about safety meetings. I know, nobody likes safety meetings. They're lame, they're boring, but they're important. Insurance likes them. Your employees actually like them, if they're done correctly. If they're done wrong, your employees don't like them because they stink. Oh, dude, there's a jet flying over me. He's a monster. That's what I was looking at. Sorry. Anyways, I digress. All right, so safety meetings are important. And here's the thing you got to remember with safety meetings is you got to cover the information, okay? And when you cover the information, it should be interesting. It should be intriguing. It should actually want your people should want to learn from it. So if you've got somebody that gets up there and they talk about safety meetings, they're like, hi, my name's Dan. We're going to talk about safety. This is how you hook up a trailer. This is how you drive a truck. That's lame. Your people are going to sleep through that. You're better off not to have safety meeting and have somebody like that. The other worst thing, man, this is one of the things I hate the worst, okay? They're like, here's my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to read the slides to you word by word for every slide on it. But I'm going to say them with enthusiasm. But they don't actually talk about anything else. They just read the slide to you. Dude, I could do that. Give me a PDF. If I wanted to read a book, I'd read a book. Having a safety meeting, people want to learn. They want to get better. They want it there. So safety meetings are important. You want to have them. You want to cover vital topics, important topics. If you're under OSHA standards, you got to follow certain OSHA topics. DOT wants you to train certain things as well if you're under DOT, like reasonable suspicion and drug and alcohol awareness and all that good stuff. Reasonable supervisor, reasonable suspicion. I think I said reasonable suspicion. Like driver safety, stuff like that. FMCSA rules, they want you to train all that stuff as well. But you got to get somebody who's interested. So my thought process is this. If y'all are interested in having somebody come to your site and hook you up with some safety meetings, like a couple times a year, dude, hit us up. We do that. Did you know that? I know. It's awesome. So if you want somebody as awesome as Dan there to do some safety training for you, man, I can't even talk. That's how fun it's going to be. I'm kidding. Y'all, hit us up. Hook us up. We'll get you hooked up. All right, later. Bye.